Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Swati Singla and in this video I'm going to talk about some words or phrases which we use differently or sometimes mistakenly in our routine English. So let's see what are these. Ma'am, could you please repeat it again? Oh God, I have to repeat it again. Could you please repeat it again? Do you also use this word repeat with again? So if you do, then this is incorrect. Yes. Repeat itself is an action, so no need to use the word again. You should say, instead of using again, instead of saying repeat again, it should be please repeat it. Could you please repeat it? Ma'am, please repeat it once. So it should be like repeat only, not repeat again. Okay? Hey, who is Rupa? Oh, Rupa is my cousin sister. Oh, and who is Vijay? Vijay is my real brother. Don't you know him? Do you find it correct? Yes or no? I guess no, because it is slightly incorrect. There is no term like real brother or real sister. It is created by us I mean Indians, because we tend to convert each and every word of Hindi to English. So Saga Bhai becomes real brother, and there is no such term. Real brother, there is no such term. It's just brother or sister. If the kids are from same mother, then it becomes brother or sister. But when you want to show it that this kid is from your uncle or aunt, then you should say it cousin, not cousin brother, not cousin sister. It should be only cousin. Further, if you want to elaborate the other person that it's a boy or a girl, then you should say it's my uncle's son or it's my aunt's daughter, like this. But never ever say like cousin brother. It's totally incorrect, right? So next time whenever you want to say he's my real brother, just say he is my brother. And whenever you want to say she is my cousin sister, just say she is my cousin and she is a daughter of my chacha, or she is daughter of my mama or mami, anything like this. But never ever say cousin brother or cousin sister, or real brother or real sister. There are no such terms. Do you know Isha became engineer? Oh really? Oh my god, I didn't knew this. I didn't knew this. So again, do you find it correct? No, this is incorrect, because did is itself a second form of or a past form of do. So we should never use the second form or the past form of action with did. So it should be like I did not know it. Instead of I did not knew it, it should be like I did not know it, or I in short form I didn't know it. Okay, when we say it like I was giving exam, I gave exam, I'm going to give exam, I'm getting late, I'm going to give exam. So again, this is not correct. This is really wrong, because whenever we are going for an exam, we always say I took exam, I take exam. Okay, and the teacher or the professor in the classroom, in the examination hall, those person give exam, we take exam. Those people who are writing paper are the person who are taking exam, not giving exam. Okay, so next on the list is giving or taking exam. And the last one is hair. Hair. Do you also say I don't get hairs on my head? Do you say like this? Or there are no hairs on my head? Do you say like this? Again, this is not correct. I won't say it like it is totally incorrect, but there are versions of it. If we are talking about hair of whole head, the head which is covered by all the hair, then it becomes uncountable. And when we are using uncountable things, then we take those things as singular. Okay, so all the hair on your head becomes one unit, and we should say it like, I have no hair on my head. Or we can say, I have got lots of hair on my head. Additionally, if we are talking about some strands or few hairs, then we use the word hairs because they are countable and we can count them. So we can say like, Rita got her few hairs colored. Oh my god, there are some hairs on the floor, because those are countable. So these are the 5 words from my side which we use very often in our routine English, but sometimes we use them differently or sometimes we use them incorrectly. I hope you will not commit the same mistakes anymore. These mistakes are so oftenly used, so commonly used, that people even won't notice you when you are using these words so fluently in your English. But eventually we should speak the correct English, right? So don't make these mistakes anymore, and I'll see you soon in the new video. Till then, namaste.